Hello everyone, welcome back. And you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 series users have been reporting that their Wi-Fi speed is slow, but it works well on other devices. In this video, I will tell you how to improve the Wi-Fi speed on your iPhone. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is launch settings, turn on or enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes and unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 2. Force restart your iPhone. For that, quickly press and release volume up button, then quickly press and release volume down button, then press side button until we see Apple logo. Solution number 3. Turn off private address of Wi-Fi. For that, launch settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap on I symbol, scroll down and turn off private address. Solution number 4. Change the Wi-Fi DNS number. For that, first launch settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap on info icon, scroll down and tap configure DNS. Now select manual, tap add server and add 8.8.8.8 and tap save. Solution number 5. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Simply unplug the Wi-Fi router from the power source. Wait for a couple of minutes, then plug it back. Solution number 6. Turn off Wi-Fi networking. For that, launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on privacy. Now tap on location services, scroll down, tap system services. Now find the networking and wireless, turn off. Solution number 7. Turn off and turn on Wi-Fi assist. For that, launch settings, tap mobile data, turn on mobile data, scroll down and turn off Wi-Fi assist. Now wait for a couple of minutes and turn on Wi-Fi assist. Solution number 8. Disable VPN. For that, launch settings, tap general, scroll down, tap VPN and disable VPN. Final solution is reset network settings. For that, launch settings, tap general, tap reset network settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.